It is 29 June 2021 Tuesday. Hello and welcome. This is Sayyidat Faniren and you are watching Villa News. India celebrates National Statistics Day today like every year since 2007 to celebrate the outstanding contributions made by late Professor Prasanna Chandra Mahalanobis. Shortly we'll be going to our reporters in Hyderabad who will help us understand how statistics plays a vital role in various professions. National Statistics Day is celebrated to create awareness among youth about the role of statistics in socio-economic planning and policy formulations. Statistics plays a vital role in every field of human activity. It holds a central point in almost every field like industry, commerce, trade, biology, botany, psychology, and many more. Application of statistics is very wide. Let's move to our reporters to help us understand the importance of statistics better with the help of our guests today belonging to various professions.
Good morning everyone. I am B. Supraja of BCom Computers from Villamary College. As part of the National Statistics Day celebrated on 29 June, we have Dr. K. Balasubramaniam, who is Professor in Business Statistics, to share a few facts about statistics. Hello sir. So what would you like to say about statistics?
Good morning everyone. First of all, I congratulate the Department of Commerce for celebrating the National Statistics Day. Anything we deal with number is statistics. Anything we deal with data is statistics. We want to make a simple definition. Anything data is statistics.
So what is importance of statistics in day-to-day life or academics, or what's your point of view on statistics?
Well, see, whenever we want to make a decision, whether it can be a business or it can be a decision or it can be a government decision, anything is based on some information. We get the information based on the data what is provided by analyzing the data. So to analyze the data, we follow some statistical methods. For example, in business, we want to find out what could be the possible sales if the same trend continues. So we use trend analysis, we try to use time series analysis, we try to use the forecasting. So that is going to be importance of statistics in business. You take the government is taking decisions that from the next week there will be partial lockdown, full lockdown, there will be no lockdown. All these things are decided based on the information what is provided by the Department of Health. And the Department of Health is arriving these type of information based on the data what is they are getting it. So everything is data and the data is analyzed using statistical tools and the information is derived based on information the decision is made.
What is the significance in educational institutions?
Well, see, I teach statistics at various levels. It can be a commerce level or BBA or postgrad management level. At every level there is going to be the role or the significance or the importance statistics is there at their level of course. If we talk about the management level course, they learn the statistical testing tools, we call it as, that is chi-square test, t-test and all those things which they will apply in the research oriented. If we talk about the BBA level, they will be learning correlations, regressions and all. They will be studying the association between two or more data, two or more series, two or more variables like income and expenditure, sales and profit, advertisement expenditure and the sales based on advertisement. So all those things are going to be at the BBA level. If we talk about at the commerce level, they will be talking about the various measures of averages and they will be talking about the graphical representation and how to represent the data in the form of graphs. So basically a managerial level need not to be know everything based on the data. So by looking at a graph, they will be able to get the information fast where we use the statistical tools.
So finally, what would you like to conclude on statistics and daily human life?
Of course, I told already, whatever we deal with data, statistics, we will not be able to know this is what we apply directly. We say that a movie is an average movie. We use the term average. Average is a part of statistics. We say that the student is going to be better than the students of the other one. So we use better. we say best, we say comparative analysis. All these things are applications of statistics only.
So thank you so much for your valuable time, sir. We had great time talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you all the students.
Hello everyone, I'm Janti. Today I have a special guest with me, my mother, Geetika. She's a businesswoman, come cosmetologist, come sportswoman and yoga enthusiast, come homemaker, and is very passionate about women and children causes.
Thank you very much for inviting me. It's a great honor, Janvi.
According to you, what is the importance of statistics?
The importance of statistics is very important today because for me it's like a tree with many branches like budgeting and finance. The terms budgeting and finance are more commonly used rather than the term statistics.
That's an interesting perspective. How do you apply statistics in your profession?
Well, talking about my profession, in my business, I need to analyze the various market trends. And if I go on to talk about as a cosmetologist, I need to see my consumers' requirements, where the data or the statistic shows that the non-chemical products are preferred over the chemical ones. And talking about yoga, in this pandemic time, yoga has gained a lot of importance, especially with the pranayam, which has a lot of health benefits. Last but not the least, as a homemaker, I think every homemaker will agree, to run a smooth home, we need to do a budgeting right.
That's good to know how you apply statistics in your daily life as well as your profession. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule. Take care and stay safe.
I am Vasta Biswas and I am studying in Villamari Degree College. I have taken up BCom Foreign Trade and presently in the second year. I would like to welcome Mr. Biswas to this interview. Welcome, Mr. Biswas.
Thank you.
I would like to know something about statistics from you, sir.
Okay.
Let's go on to the first question. What is the significance of statistics?
See, statistics is very important, with which you will be knowing where you were, where you are presently, and where you are heading to.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. How is it useful in your profession?
See, statistics is very important for a marketing profession like me, because based on the performance and keeping track of the statistical figure, I will be knowing my past performance. Based on that, I will be planning my present brand performance, and based on the present performance, I will be taking up the future or coming year performance.
So when do you apply statistics?
See, it is, I should say that it is not when and where, it should be applied on a daily basis, on an hourly basis in fact. If you don't keep your track of your performance on an hourly basis, you will be losing track of your performance of the product, and based on the performance, you can introduce new product line, you can work on the new market, you can explore all possibilities to develop your business.
Thank you for your insight on the subject. Your input will help us in moving forward and taking a bold step to know more about the importance of statistics. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Umayya Hassan Khan and I am going to interview Ms. Sania Fatima from Managing Department. Hello Ms. Sania Fatima, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. So, before we get started, I would like to give you an idea about what we are going to cover up today. As we all know, stats play a significant role in our day-to-day life. So, I would like to know the importance of stats in our profession.
Yes, you are right. In today's world, stats play an important role in all professions. Business owners will face situations that outcomes that seems unpredictable. So, at this situation, they provide a valuable information to the business organization.
Yes, you are right. So, can you let us know what stats actually means and what it deals with?
Statistics deals with the study of collection and analyzing data. It used to keep records, calculate probabilities, and provide information. Basically, it helps us to understand the world a little bit more through the quantitative information and numbers.
Yes, so can you let us know how statistics is relevant to your profession?
Based on statistical research of past performance, it helps to provide business leads and organization leads. It describes the market prices and it responds to the changes in consumer demand.
Thank you so much for taking time to talk, and I really enjoyed about this work.
You're most welcome. Even I have enjoyed a lot to talk to you. Nice to meet you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Drashti Modi from BCom Computers of Villamary Degree College. As we all know that June 29th is celebrated as National Statistics Day. So here I'm going to ask you some questions on how you apply statistics in your daily life. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Amira. I'm doing baking business.
Okay. What is statistics?
Statistics is collecting large amount of data.
What is the importance of statistics?
So statistics is used everywhere, such as for planning, mathematics, statistics in trade, insurance, etc.
Okay, that's great. How useful it is in your profession?
Well, when we talk about the business is pretty tough without statistics. Statistics is used in estimating cost and demand. It also helps in reducing the uncertainty of business.
That's great. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable time. It was great talking to you.
Hi everyone, this is Gayatri Kalwa and I'm currently pursuing my Masters from Woxin University and I'm an alumni of Villamary. So today I'm here to talk about the significance of statistics. As we all know that statistics is one of the oldest subjects in human history and majority of the people think that this new discipline has evolved after the evolution of maths. The reason it's a part of maths. So the question here is, why is statistics so important in our lives? Statistics are the set of mathematical equations that we use to analyze the things. It keeps us educated about what's going on in our general surroundings. Statistics are significant in the light of the fact that today we live in the information world and much of this information is determined mathematically with the help of statistics. It intends to be educated right information and statistical concepts are necessary. If we speak more about the significance and scope of statistics, the fact that in the modern world today, statistical methods are universally applicable. It is in itself enough to show how important the science of statistics is. Indeed, there are many great individuals who do not really know the concept of how statistics works, but they make such profuse use of these statistical methods in their everyday decisions. Statistical methods are regular perspectives and consequently are utilized by a wide range of people. Examples can be multiplied to show that human conduct and statistical methods share much of all intents and purpose. If the truth is to be told, statistical methods are so firmly associated with human activities and conduct that essentially all human activities can be explained by statistical methods. This shows how significant and universal statistics is, right? As we see the significance of statistics, it can be further extended to different disciplines in our daily lives. For example, statistics is used in the field of weather forecast, for economics, financial marketing, planning, and many more. Statistical data allows us to collect the information around the world. The internet is a device definitely which helps us collect the information which we need, but the fundamental behind this internet is based on statistics and mathematical concepts. So with this I would like to conclude by saying that statistics plays an important role in all the aspects of life and needs to be understood so that it will help us understand various things and subjects around us. Thank you.
With this, we conclude that statistics are not just numbers and facts. Instead, it's an array of knowledge and procedures that allow you to learn from data reliably. Statistics plays a role in every profession in some way or the other, as it is a crucial process behind how we make discoveries in science, make decisions based on data, and make predictions. With this, we come to an end with our report today. Until next time, stay safe. Thank you.